Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In this video, I'll show you how to use the AI tool to write SEO optimized articles for your blog post or for your website. I'll show you how you can use this AI tool to create the article for your blog post. Here you can see an example of the article that I have created using this AI tool. Here you can see the word count is almost 3000 and you can see the SEO score is 75. This tool will also give you suggestion to improve the SEO score. Here you can see the suggestions that we need to add some H2 or H3 headings. You also need to increase the content length. Here you can see that we need to check for the keyword density. We need to remove some words from the articles. We need to add some outbound links. And once we make these changes, I'm sure that the SEO score will go beyond 80. And this article will be good enough to start ranking in the search result. The name of the tool is Scalenut, and here you will see different options: article writer, content optimizer, and keyword planner. This article writer has cruise mode. You just need to enter the keywords and some description about the requirements, and it is going to create the outline, it is going to create the writing points, and it is going to generate the SEO optimized content for your blog post or the article. And here I'm going to show you how does this work and how you can generate the content for the articles using this tool. We will also go for the plagiarism check. We will see if the article generated has the unique score. We will also look for the AI content detector, and we will make sure that the generated article does not look like the AI generated article. So we will go through these tests also, and I'll show you the result of these tests. The name of the tool is Scalenut. I'll give you the link in the description box. They have the free trial. If you want to go with the free trial, you can use my link in the description box. And here you will see the comparison between Scalenut, Surfer, Scalenut versus ClearScope, Scalenut versus Jarvis, Scalenut versus Phrase. You can go through these links and you can compare the other tools with the Scalenut. So let's see how we can use the AI generated content for the blog post or the articles.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the Scalenut services, and you will see a new dashboard of the Scalenut services. They have recently upgraded and they have changed the interface of the Scalenut. So this is the new dashboard of the Scalenut. Let me give you a brief introduction to all the features available in the Scalenut. So we are on the dashboard. In the left hand side panel, you will see all the tools. Under SEO tools, you will see three different tools. Article writer. Using the article writer, you can create AI generated articles for blog posts or products. I'll show you how does this work. We are going to use cruise mode to create an article. The next one is content optimizer. You can optimize your content for the SEO. And the next one is keyword planner. If you are looking for keyword research, you can use this tool. After that, you will see AI copywriter. So you can use the AI copywriter. Here you will see different templates for product description, article writing, article copywriting, video content, social media post. So you can use these templates for AI copywriting. In the new dashboard, you will see your plan and you will also see the limits per month. Right now, I'm subscribed to growth plan and the limit per month is 30 article writer. So I can use article writers for 30 articles per month. Keyword planner, 30 clusters per month. Content optimizer, 30 pages per month. So this is the limit of this plan. If you need any help, you will see the video tutorials here. We are on the dashboard. If you want to see how the article writer works, you can simply click on it and you will see the video tutorial. You can use this to understand how does this work. Same for the content optimizer. If you click on it, you will see the video tutorial here. Now in this video, we are going to use the article writer in the cruise mode. We are going to generate some article. So let's start with the article writer tool. Let's go to the article writer. And here you need to enter the keyword for which you want to write the content. You want to write the article. So I'm going to enter the keyword here. So this is what the keyword I am going to use. Here you can use the country. I'm going to select United States. If you want to change the country, you can change the country. For the secondary keyword, I am going to use SEO optimized content writing. So this will be the secondary keyword. So we have got another keyword here, how to write blog post. So if you want to add more keywords, you can add more keywords. All right, so these are the keywords. Now click on create. Now it is going through the process. All right, so it shows that it's done. Let's click on it. Now here it shows, write a small description of your blog topic. For example, this blog is for interior designer or something like that. All right, so this is what the context I have given. Now here, next process is create title. Click on create title. Now it is going to create the title for the post. Now here you will see different titles. Now you can select any one of these titles. Now this one looks good to me. How to write articles using AI, a beginner's guide. So here you will see different titles. If you want to rephrase, you can rephrase the title. Let me show you. If I click on it, it's going to rephrase this title. So this is the new one. So I'm going to use this one. You can simply click on it. And now we are going to create outline. If you want to generate more, you can simply click on generate more. Let's click on create outline. It is going to create outline for the article. Now here you can see that the headings are generated. 21 headings are generated, I guess. Now here you can see the headings. How can AI help bloggers? Understanding the basics of SEO. What is Google's ranking algorithms? So these are the headings generated by this tool. Now if you want to delete some of the headings, you can simply click on it. Here you will see the option to delete. You can delete the heading. Additional resources. Now if you want to add questions, you can also add questions. Now here you will see explore top ranked outlines. Click on it and you will see different outlines which are already ranking. You can use the heading from these articles also. If you go to questions, you will see different questions. If you want to add these questions, you can simply click on it and it will get added to your article. These are the Google questions. I'm going to use these. All right, so I guess these questions are good enough. So we have got 5 questions here. If you click on AI suggestions, it will give you more suggestions about the headings. So these are the AI generated ideas, benefits of using AI articles that we can add. So I'm going to add it, and we need 2 more. Getting started, common mistakes. You can use that one also. All right, so we have got 23 headings here, and we have got 5 questions. So this one looks good to me. Now I'm going to generate a writing points. So click on generate writing points. Now we have got the writing points here. Under each heading, you will see different writing points. If you want to delete any one of these writing points, you can delete them. So these are the basic points it has created. Now you need to go through all these points. If not required, you can delete these points. If you want to add points, you can click on suggestions. You can add more points. Now for this heading, you will see suggestion here. So it is going to create some more points for this heading. Now if I go through these points, everything looks good to me. Click on generate content. Now it is going to generate content according to the headings and the points that we have entered. Okay, so you can see that SEO score is 75 and suggested is 80 plus. Word count is 2986. That's good one. And the key term usage is 56. That is also good one. Now here we have got the first draft of the article. If you want to make changes, you can make changes. Here you will see a refresh and it is going to rewrite the article. Now what we will do, we will export this article to the editor. Now here you will see the meta title that we have selected. Meta description is also created, and this can be a URL permalink. So you can use this as a URL permalink. If you want to change it, here you can see AI suggestions. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to export this to editor, and you will see the score here. So this is how it looks. I guess this one must be H1 tag. So this one is the H1 tag. This is the H2 tag. Article looks good. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one paragraph from this article and I'm going to one of the AI content detector. So this is one of the AI content detector and I'm going to analyze the text here. And this one shows 100% human generated content. Fantastic. Let's go to another article and let's go to AI content detector, analyze the text. 99% human generated content. So this AI generated content looks good for the, so let's go to the plagiarism checker and we will look for the plagiarism. Check for plagiarism. Meanwhile, if you think that this content looks like AI generated, you can use the paraphrasing tool such as Quillbot. I have the Quillbot subscription. I can use this one. You can simply enter the text or the content here and click on paraphrase. It is going to paraphrase the content so that it will not look like AI generator. So I can copy this one and I can replace this content using the new one. And we will look for the AI content detector here using the new paraphrased content. Let's check it. Now this one says this text is mainly written by human. So when I use the Quillbot to paraphrase the content, it shows it is not AI generated. Let's try this one also, the new content. And this one also shows 100% human generated content. So you can create the article using Scalenut. If you think some part of this article looks like AI generated, you can use these kind of tools and you can regenerate or paraphrase the content and use the new content here. So you need to check for the plagiarism, you need to check for the AI content detector, and after that, once you confirm everything looks good, you can create the article. Now here you can see that plagiarism is 0%, uniqueness is 100%. So I think definitely this tool has generated a good article that you can use on your blog post. This article is SEO optimized. We have checked for the plagiarism and we have also tested for the AI content detector. Everything looks good. Now you can use these tools. Here you can see one issue found. Primary keyword should be present in the meta title. So you can make these changes such as fix it. And now here it will show learn how to write article using AI, the complete guide. Let me replace it. And it is fixed, return to editing. Now here one URL issue found. Primary keyword should be present in the URL. Let's fix it and replace it. And slowly your SEO score will start increasing. H2, H6, you will see 2 errors found. Primary or secondary keyword should be present in H2, H6. Titles or H2 headings are not found, so we can use these headings. Current number of images is 0, so you need to add the images also. That's going to increase the score. Keyword density issue is found. AI 2.5%, content 2.9%. So you need to remove the AI word somewhere in the article. 2 links to issue found. Current outbound link is 0, so you need to add some outbound links. And you will see the suggestion here, 8 to 16 outbound links that you can add into this article, and it is going to improve the score of your AI generated article. So I think this tool has generated much better content as compared to other AI generated tools. So I'll give you the link in the description box. If you want to go for the free trial, you can use my link in the description box. There is an offer going on, 50% off, and you can double the limit. So this is how you can use the Scalenut services to create SEO optimized content for your blog post. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.